Start recording.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Dheeraj, Prakash, and Kanhaiya for the group discussion. Today's topic is technology. Uh, so, uh, uh, as the topic is technology, we are also from the technology background. We are from Bachelor in Technology. So, our domain is technology, and also the discussion. Today's discussion on the topic technology. As technology covers wide aspect. Okay, it covers a wide aspect. So we will discuss about the benefits of the technology and means advantages and disadvantages of technology. So today we are here in the Zoom call. It is due to the advancement in the technology, due to the advancement in the digital technology. We are here connected on the Zoom call and debating here. As we know that our schools and colleges were shut down due to the COVID pandemic, but it is due to the technology that we are now connecting. So day by day, technology is improving. New emerging technologies are coming, which makes the human effort less. And so basically, mm, as I said, there is a wide aspect of technology. So I'm going to discuss about the impact of technology on the job. Okay, I will mainly cover the what is the impact of technology on the means its positive impact or negative impact. So uh, due to advancement in technology, it cuts the numerous jobs. Suppose due to the automation in the automobile factory, due to the artificial intelligence, numerous jobs advancement in technology, and also the new wave of technology such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, etc. It is also a treat of many jobs. Okay. So let us understand what is the advantages of new emerging technology. So the first advantage of new emerging technology is as technology increasing, the consumer of technology also increases. So let us go to the first industrial revolution and second industrial revolution. As we know that the first and second, first industrial revolution and second revolution, industrial revolution, it starts in the basically in the European countries, England, UK, etc. So the first industrial revolution when the invention of the steam engine, and second for the conveyor, I don't remember yet. So in European country, industrial revolution came first. So when the industrial revolution came first, then their economic growth increased. As the economy increased, then uh, uh, the person's income also increases, and the person's income increases, so the demand of the person increases in the European country. So to meet the demand of the European country, they they explore the world to import the materials from the another countries. So this is uh, uh, so uh, so they came India uh, and established their East India Company, and further you know that about the Indian independence, which is not current our topic. So the first point is it increases the number of consumers. Second point is technology increases production rate. As we know that we are focusing on the mass production, 3D printing technology. So
सुनना है क्या?
दीपक आप म्यूट कर लीजिए. Yes, second advantage is increasing productivity, and third advantage is as the technology, uh, due to the advancement in technology such as artificial intelligence, robotics, etc., there is a demand of skilled youth who knows about the artificial intelligence, data science, etc. And the fourth one is it helps in the growth of the economy. Grows due to the advancement in the technology. You can take the example of various countries who have advanced technology. So these are some positive impact of the technology. Also, there is we know that everything having its pros and cons. So technology having also its pros and cons. So there is also some disadvantage of technology. So the first disadvantage is which is the fear of job loss. As we know that in 1980 when the computer arrived in the India, so the bankers went for the strike. When Rajiv Gandhi brought the computer technology in the India, the bankers went for the strike. They have a fear of the job loss. And similarly, we can take various example of job loss due to the advancement in technology. Second point is due to the advancement of technology, not just the skilled worker, but the highly skilled worker have the fear of the job loss because technology is changing. Suppose if I am skilled in the Excel sheet, but 10 years after 10 years, probably new technology will come and I have to upgrade myself. Third point is due to the advancement of technology, it forces people to re-skill themselves as we know that as we aware about the timeline of the industrial revolution. We are in the fourth industrial revolution, and finally I want to conclude that technology changes is the rule of nature. So even some jobs in fact lost due to the technology, but uh, numerous jobs opportunity are also created due to the advancement of the technology. There is I'm only focusing on the job aspect of the tech. There are also disadvantages of the technology. You must have seen the Charlie Chaplin movie Modern Times. In that movie there is a the company developed a machine which used to feed the human being. So the machine is set to the Charlie Chaplin, and it started to feeding him. But suddenly, due to the some issue, machine fails, and actually it is a comedy movie, so you can watch, and it shows that how technology may hamper the mankind. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Now other participants can proceed.
Wow, Mangalam, your opinion is so good.
Yes, thank you, Kanhaiya. So I would like to hear from your side. Then next, Abhay will put his opinion about the technology.
Okay. So first of all, good morning to everyone. We are here to sharing our opinion about technology is good or bad. So as Mangalam mentioned in last speech that impact of technology on our employment, our science, our environment. So now I'm going to sharing my opinion. All manner of technology surround us from our personal laptop, tablet, and phone. Behind the scenes, technology was further medicine, science, and education. So I'm going to add some points about medical field, the use of technology in medical field. So first of all, few in last decades, we have not any equipment to use in cancer like laser treatment and in many fields. So technology is technology technology affect in a many good way on this field, like medical communication, cell phone. As we can see that we are meeting on a group on Google Meet. This is also a part of technology. So I think technology is a very useful tool in our life to exploring new thing, like anything we can search on Google and we get answer, or we can communicate on cell phone, on email, via email. So internet is a very good thing, and I think technology is a very useful tool of our life. That's my point about technology. And thank you, Mangalam, for giving me opportunity to sharing my opinion. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Kanaya, for your wonderful point about the technology. You highlighted the point about the role of technology in the healthcare. So I would like to hear opinion from the Abhay Singh. Then Dheeraj will speak. Also, we have Deepak and Suraj joined. So first Abhay will share his opinion. Then Dheeraj will share his opinion. So Abhay, please go ahead with your opinion.
In today's time, everybody is using technology, and a person who doesn't know about technology has very much difficult to compete with the society. The knowledge of technology is very important today, and technology is really helping us in every field. We have reached up to Moon and Mars by use of technology. In daily life, we are using our mobile phones, laptop. Here we are also connecting via technology. Sitting far away, we can connect with our friends via technology. And many other technologies has also come. As Kanaya mentioned, in medical field also there are many technologies coming new which can be beneficial to the patients. As we all are engineers, in mechanical engineering also many new technologies of production are coming day by day. Robots are taking place of human being. The next age will be of artificial intelligence, hence technology is really very much developing and needs to be advanced. Technology increases productivity and minimizes the consumption of time in the productivity. At the same time, people are also losing their job, as one technology can take place of 50 men, one machine can take place of hundreds of peoples. So people are losing their job, but at the same time, as Mangalam said, to operate the machine, we need operators, and many new technologies will also increase demand of job. So it has advantage and disadvantage both. Main disadvantage of technology is on our environment, such as we are using AC and fridge day by day, which is depleting the ozone layer, and many a times factory is established by cutting trees, and many harmful gases coming out of from factories are affecting our climate. So we should grow technically, but we should take care that environment is not getting disturbed. Our ecosystem should be balanced. Nowadays, mobile phone also such as radiation, it has too much radiation, so we should not use that much that it can affect our life and our body. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Abhay. You made the wonderful point about the technology. You highlighted the point about the climate change and sustainable development. And so I would like to hear from Dheeraj. And after Dheeraj, I think Suraj will speak. So Dheeraj, go ahead with your opinion.
Good afternoon to you all of you, and Mangalam. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Our today topic is technology. As first of all, I want some. I want to define technology. Any ideas given by our scientist, which is used in industry or a useful places, uh, we say that this is our new technology. Nowadays technology is very useful for us. Yes, but it is also at some places it harms us. Some useful some uses of technology are at in as our friends, my friend says, Kanhaiya says that technology is very important for our medical, because in medical line, been been we did not need more manpower, be because we want accurate treatment, uh, laser treatment, and some others treatment cannot be proceed without without technology, uh, and it all technology also harm. My friend Abhay said that technology is harmful for our harmful because nowadays youngsters uses their smartphones for several time, so they affect. So smartphones uses of much use of smartphones can harm their mental mental ability, but and one also negative point of for technology is they reduces manpower in industry. Nowadays many workers fears because they have because they and sorry, I have not too much point.
Okay, no problem. You made the wonderful point about the precise healthcare and the precision healthcare. So I will come back you again, Dheeraj, if you are missing any point after Dheeraj and Suraj, Deepak and Suraj. I think Deepak, are you available for put your opinion?
Yes, available.
So we have 15 minutes left.
Any
Just
kind of
put
echo
your
from my side?
Yes.
Any kind of echo in my sound from my side?
No, just fine. Go ahead.
All clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the topic given today for us is technology. When we listen the term technology, it simply means the improving world, the fast-moving world. While we say the technology and see the technology, we are first thing comes in our mind is that it's going to save our time, and time is something every person need it as much as he can. Now moving towards in seeing the on a bigger level, the technology is something which is going to make a country stronger and make a country very poor. Like if you see any country in right now right now this time in this world, the countries which are very much improving are those who have a good quality of technology. And in that country we can also see that the number of jobless people is very less. So saying something like that, technology is going to technology going to make people unemployment is something like we are saying that we are not able to we are not going to take this technology as a pleasure. We are just complaining about these things so that as we cannot take this as easily. Like if we see in rural areas, we say that technology is harming the people as they are living, they are going jobless. But at the same time, if we see the technology is providing many kind of job in which men are doing less effort and earning more and also making their life simple. So if we are working on technology, the jobless people are also going to get job in their own way. Like and somewhere if you see like other countries like Germany, Japan, America, they have a good quality of technology and the number of unemployed person in that country is very less. So it's a contradict that fact that in India, if we are going to use technology, it is going to make the people jobless. At the same time, if we say that technology is something is affecting the environment, is like something. But if we see on a bigger field, some 2 or 3 years ago, scientists file a petition that we are working on a project which is going to absorb the carbon particles from the environment and convert them into diamond. Like this is something a big change in the world if this happens, and this is only due to the improving technology. So right now we are not so improved in technology field, but as the technology is going to improve in upcoming 10 to 15 to 20 years, we are going to see that it's going to save our environment too. Like in previous time we see that we are living a healthy life, but any kind of pandemic come, we are like helpless. But right now if you see the pandemic come, we have technology and that help us to overcome from this pandemic in a very short period of time. 1 year is not a very big period of time regarding such kind of pandemic, right? So it's the blessing of technology. And at the same time we see that how technology is going to make our life simple in upcoming times. Like if we are improving our technology day by day, we are going to make our work simpler, and also we are going to improve in the living standard, and which is going to make anybody feel pleasure in their life. And this is something we need in the life. Like if we are saying that we need a good environment, in upcoming 10 to 20 years, right now we don't have technology that which can clean the environment. There is something like garbage cleaner or making something very clean, but there is nothing like making the environment carbon free, ozone layer depletion वगैरह. But in upcoming 10 to 20 years, I believe that we improve in technology field that it can going to make this also. And technology is something is a blessing for us. There is right now there is something some defects in this, but in upcoming times if we improve in this field altogether, we are going to make this as a blessing for this whole world. Thank you from my side.
Yes, thank you, Deepak.
Thank
You
you,
made the
Deepak.
excellent point about the technology. We compared about the technology between the developed country and development countries. So thank you for your point. Suraj is still left for speaking, so I would like to hear from you, Suraj. If possible, please on your camera and give your opinion about the technology. Your voice is not audible. Your voice is not audible, Suraj. We have only 10 minutes left. Yes, now audible.
Look, I am not completely ready for the today GD topic. I will start from tomorrow. So sorry for the today.
Okay, no problem. So turn off your camera because we are recording the session. We have discussed about the technology. Love Prakash, are you available? If you want to speak, then go ahead. LPG. So I think he is not available. So I will again go to the Dheeraj. He missed some point. So Dheeraj, please on your camera and complete your opinion. Yes.
Hello, thank you for giving me opportunity again for including some points. Now Mm, I missed some point that will be included. Uh, Technology is very good for bigger industries and also for startups because they can manage by.
रेडी नहीं है अभी.
Sorry, Suraj, can
सूरज
you
आप अपना
mute
माइक ऑन कर
from
लीजिए
your
और
side?
वीडियो भी ऑन कर लीजिए, ऑफ कर लीजिए.
हाँ. हाँ.
Hello. Now can I
Yes,
resume
yes,
from my side?
yes.
In bigger countries, technology regularly uh, changed with new technology for improving their production rate and uh, and also their also for increasing profit and but for workers it is not good because some workers lose their jobs and also unemployment get unemployment started and but for company it is good. Thank you. I have not-
So thank you, Dheeraj. Suraj, please maintain the decorum of the group discussion. Uh, if you are not comfortable, then put off your camera because if you will move, then it will distract the other speaker to speak. So if you are not ready for today's session, then it's okay. Uh, uh, Abhay, are you available? Abhay, would you like to say something?
Yes, I would like to say that as Deepak said, technology is not harming the environment or in future it will not harm. But over 100 or 200 years, I think technology is growing. Earlier, the vehicle polluted the environment. Nowadays, we are using battery vehicles, but the battery will also, when it will get disposed, will somehow disturb the environment. And as we know, due to technology, many use of plastic is increasing. It's also damaging our environment. I don't feel that we can compensate with technology as God provided the environment. We can not build environment to that level. Once if ozone layer will be depleted, then can we provide such a strong layer? I don't think we have so much technology that we can match God's level. So we should not disturb the environment. And I don't agree that technology will help to create a good environment. Already the environment which we are having is the best, I think, and we should think before using technology that how can we save environment or how can we provide mere damage to environment. Yes, technology use is very much needed. Without that we cannot live, but at the same time it is also damaging and we should accept it.
Yes, thank you, Abhay. You made the point about the sustainable development. Although technology is
I would like to
yes,
contradict
yes.
one thing from Abhay.
Actually, Deepak,
Okay,
we have
Abhay,
only actually we have only 3 minutes left. So if you like to conclude the session, then please conclude, and we will discuss 1 minute
no,
for
no,
the
I
next.
just want to say that as Abhay said, I think Abhay didn't listen me carefully. I said that right now it's affecting the environment, but in upcoming 10 to 20 years, if technology goes improving, like 2 or 3 years before, scientists file a petition that we are working on this, that we absorb the carbon particles and make them into convert them into diamond. Like in China, there is some a tower also which is working on this. So in upcoming 10 to 20 years, we are going to change this situation that the emissions, carbon particles, fog, like these things are going to be controlled. But right now it's affecting. And also we can say that if we are stable at this position, then day by day, as our environment is going decreasing or degrading, though it will continue. But if we improve our technology, then only we are going to stop this and going to then regain our environment. And if you say that ozone will not get into its previous kind of position, okay, that will not possible. But if our technology is going to improving, then we can also make sure that as ozone is right now in upcoming 10-20 years, it will stop like that. It will not going to degrade in upcoming times. We are working on this kind of technology that we use something and it will not going to affect the environment. Right now these things are required in, and this is only possible by improving the technology in upcoming 10 to 20 years. So but if we don't work in this, then it will go on degrading day by day. So technology is something we have to work on that in a very hard work and very in a very smart way, so that it can give us a very good kind of environment and the living style.
Yes, thank you, Deepak. Actually, we have only 1.5 minutes left. In today's discussion, we have discussed about the positive and negative impact of the technology. As everything having its positive and negative impact, as Abhay and Deepak have stressed the point about the climate change and sustainable development. Although we are working on this according to the Paris Climate Agreement, we are focusing on the limiting 2-degree temperature rise before 2030 and 0-degree temperature rise by 2050. We are working on that point also. With this note, I am going to close today's group discussion. So for tomorrow's group discussion, if anybody have suggestions for the topic, then please suggest. We have only 30 to 40 seconds left. I think we should discuss tomorrow on the banking fraud.
Like disputes going in the world between countries to come forward and to make money more, like this kind of topics we can use for next discussion.
Okay, I will send the topic in the WhatsApp group. So right now we are running out of time. Meeting will end in a few seconds. So thank you everyone for the participation in the group, in the healthy group discussion. Suraj and Prakash didn't speak, so I request you to Suraj from tomorrow. Please come with preparation and please wear a t-shirt as we are recording the session.
Sandeep ka?
My कौन है तुम्हारा? अब बोलो.